The system wasn't designed to make you rich. It was designed to keep you busy enough so you never notice you're trapped. 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, and most don't even realize they're in a cage. Your paycheck comes in, and before you can even breathe, it's gone. Rent, bills, groceries, gas. Suddenly, you're back to zero, waiting for the next deposit like it's life support. Today, I'm exposing exactly how this trap works, who designed it, and how you can break free. The salary trap is a system designed to keep you dependent and just stressed enough that you can't think straight. Think about the math. Your housing takes 40% of your income. Your car and transport take another 20%. Food, utilities, insurance, that's another 30%. Before you even think about saving or investing, 90% of your paycheck is already spoken for. This isn't an accident. This is by design. Corporations benefit because a broke employee can't afford to quit or negotiate. You're stuck, and they know it. Banks benefit because they keep you borrowing. Credit cards, car loans, overdraft fees. Every time you swipe or miss a payment, they make money. Landlords benefit because housing costs have skyrocketed while wages stayed flat. They charge what they can get away with because you need a place to live. The system as a whole benefits because broke people are too busy working to demand change. Here's why you stay stuck. The trap works because it creates a cycle of exhaustion. You work all week, deal with stress, and your brain says you deserve a reward. A nice dinner, new clothes, a night out. But that little reward is the lock on the door. It keeps you at zero. No savings, no cushion, no progress. The next month comes and you're back in the same spot. The system knows that if they keep you tired, you won't have the energy to learn about investing or start a business. You'll just keep hoping things get better someday. But hope without action is just a fantasy. Here's how you break the cycle. First, pay yourself before you pay anyone else. Before rent, before bills, transfer money to yourself, even if it's $20, even if it's $10. Second, track every single dollar like your life depends on it. You can't escape a trap you don't understand. Most people have no idea where their money goes. When you track your spending, you'll find the leaks. Third, kill lifestyle inflation before it starts. When you get a raise, pretend you didn't. If you go from $3,000 a month to $3,500, that extra $500 goes straight to savings, not to a nicer lifestyle. Fourth, make your money untouchable. Open a separate savings account at a different bank. No debit card, no easy transfers. Set up automatic deposits and forget it exists. When you can't see it, you can't spend it. 6 months from now, when you check and see $2,000 sitting there, you'll feel hope and possibility for the first time in years. Fifth, invest even if it's just $5 at a time. The trap tells you investing is for rich people. That's a lie. You can start with pocket change. Apps exist that let you invest $5, $10, whatever you have. The point isn't to get rich overnight. It's to start building ownership. When you own stocks or index funds, you're playing a different game. Your money works while you sleep. Finally, stop trying to look successful. Every dollar you spend trying to impress people who don't care about you is a dollar that keeps you broke. Real wealth is invisible. The people who escape the salary trap don't look like they have money. They drive old cars, wear normal clothes, and stack cash in silence. The system is designed to keep you stuck, but it's not unbeatable. You don't need a six-figure salary to escape the trap. You need a six-figure strategy. Pay yourself first. Track every dollar. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Make your money untouchable. Start investing. Live below your means. These aren't just tips. This is the blueprint that breaks the cycle. The salary trap only works if you stay in it. The moment you decide you're done playing by their rules, everything changes. If this video opened your eyes, comment the words, "I'm escaping," so I know you're serious. And if you want to know the 10 money lies keeping you broke, click the video on screen now. We're watching. We're rooting for you. Now go break free.